Hello once again, dude. This is Emil from the Code Conspiracy and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, we're gonna make this look more realistic by using a tool called the Lasso tool. Now, the Lasso tool can be found up here. Now, whenever you're using the Lasso tool, you kind of makes a border of how can I explain this? Of something. Now, you need to see where the pixel kind of ends, which is here. So you need to draw a line. Try to make it as good as possible. See. Through the pixels. So if you can see here, you get all this selected. So you can use a lot of time doing this. So let's say I only want. Let's take a small example. There's a lot of pixels here, but yet again, it's nice to work with for good examples. Let's say that you wanted this little bottom here, or I don't know what it is, circle thing. If you wanted to get colored, right? So we're going to select our lasso here and try to grab like the border here, and then we'll make a border out of it. I'm gonna explain how to work now. Alright, that's not so well. Just need to do. I want to select it correct. God, this is hard, man. Alright, alright. So okay, it's okay. Yeah, it's an example. So if you take a color replacement tool, now it won't go outside the border. It's just not possible if you do the size quite smaller. See, if you type out here, nothing will come out. So it's not gonna go outside the border in any case, except that we're using a pencil, of course, so the color goes out. So if we press anything, if we press escape or alright. So here you can see we now have unselected it. If you zoom out, it goes outside the borders, but if you're doing it, more, more, like more precisely, then you can get a pretty good result of it. So let's say we wanted to draw like a little sign here. So I'm gonna take with a pencil and say, doing quite smaller and type in very quite smaller actually. I'm gonna go over here to my lasso tool. Actually, I'm gonna select quite a more big piece, and I'm gonna make a little lasso around it here. I'm gonna select my pencil. Okay, I'm gonna set it like okay, or actually I'm gonna select my brush. Alright, so if we do go ahead and now I'm gonna use a tool I got called a digitizer. It's nothing you need to have. I'm just having it as an extra computer thing that I'm using for making tutorials. So I'm gonna go here and type in my name. Alright, so if we zoom out, see it now stands in the middle. Wanna do it with black though, and I'm gonna tell you about this tool later, but right now I'm just gonna use it. Let's select the black color. Alright, type in my name. See how it looks when you zoom out. See it stands middle there. So you can actually go ahead and type something on. Of course, this is mostly for digitizer users. I 1+2. This is not important. It's just showing the power of the thing I've got here. But yet again, you can use your lasso tool to do a lot of stuff. If you're using the bilateral lasso tool, then you click like this, press enter, and then you will get like a lasso. You can also use this one. It can like, it's like a circle kind of thing, and press enter again. So these are basically the lasso tools that you can use. So I'm gonna go ahead and no, that's not the one I wanted to get grip of. I wanted to have this one. Alright. There we go. So these are very useful tools indeed. So if I go ahead and just basically color this up or here, and then select my brush. I'm gonna color this thing real quick. So here is an example of how you can use Photoshop with the Lasso tools. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you will enjoy it. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.